morning everyone. In this week's episode we'll do a rundown of a couple of hairstyles. So first day, wash day, natural hair, let your hair loose, and then second day I would also go naturally with the hair loose, and then as the week progresses I'll share some hairstyles with you for the rest of the week. Hi everyone, for today's look we are going to do elevated little ponytail. So to start off, I am going to take some hair from the front and keep it out of the ponytail. What I'm also going to do like that. So about that height for me. That's just on personal preference. Okay, so the idea is then to wrap this part around the ponytail, but I'm also going to take a part from the back and wrap that around. And then, so I'm holding it below the ponytail now. So then I'm taking this piece in the front and I am wrapping that around. So this is what I've done. So I'm holding the two pieces at the back together, and then I am fastening it with a little bobby pin. So that is a quick, easy, classic go-to hairstyle that you can use in a little pinch, and we are going to progress with the hairstyles from clean hair to dirtier hair, how it progresses through the phases. So this is it. Hope you enjoyed this little look today. See you again tomorrow. Hi guys, so for today's look we're gonna do a little bun. So if I'm only staying at home, which I am at the moment, I will just do it like this. Brush back, brush at the back, and then just lightly twist together or twist around, and then I'll use, that does not look good there. So let's try again, twist it, and then like I said, if I'm staying at home I'll just use a little claw clip and put it in the back, and that would be my look for the day, just staying at home. But if I am going somewhere, I would change it a little bit. I would probably form a little path, smooth it out a little bit more to look neat, and then I'll do a lower bun. Again, twisting and turning so that it curls on itself, and then I'll just use some hair grips to tie it up. So a bun, another easy go-to hairstyle when your hair is not as clean as you would want it, but you still want to look nice and presentable without washing your hair. So that is it. And then I think I'll maybe have 2 more styles for you to show. Anyway, this is today's look. Good morning, guys. Today I'm not able to speak, so I'm doing a little voiceover for you. So I just brush my hair back, and then I'm taking it up in a ponytail with a silk scrunchie. And then I am doing an easy little plait and putting another elastic in at the bottom, and that's my look for the day. What do you think? Is this hairstyle too young for a 40 plus someone? Or is it just right, and does it look fun? Because that was what I was aiming for a fun hairstyle, and they not being in the way. And I'm ready for a day full of fun with activities with the kids and the hubby.